Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Canon EOS R100 mirrorless camera. I've spent time looking through the internet, reading user experiences, expert opinions, and feature breakdowns to figure out whether this camera is actually worth your money. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. At the heart of the camera is a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. This is one of the biggest reasons people choose dedicated cameras over smartphones. The larger sensor captures significantly more light, resulting in cleaner images, better dynamic range, improved background blur, and much stronger low-light performance. Whether you're photographing landscapes, portraits, pets, or food, the image quality coming out of this camera is impressive for the price range. One thing many first-time camera buyers worry about is autofocus performance. Thankfully, Canon has included its highly regarded dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system. This helps the camera quickly lock onto subjects and maintain focus during photography and video recording. Face detection works well, making it easier to capture family members, friends, and even yourself when creating content for social media. For beginners who don't want to constantly worry about manual focusing, this feature alone adds a lot of value. The included RFS 18 to 45mm lens is a versatile starting point. It covers a useful range that works for everyday photography, travel shots, landscapes, and casual portraits. While it's not the brightest lens available, it's compact, lightweight, and pairs nicely with the camera body. Since the R100 belongs to Canon's RF ecosystem, users also gain access to a growing selection of RF and RFS lenses if they decide to expand their photography skills in the future. Video performance is another important consideration. The EOS R100 supports 4K recording, allowing creators to capture sharp and detailed footage. If you're producing YouTube videos, travel content, family memories, or short-form social media clips, the camera delivers footage that looks significantly more professional than what most smartphones can achieve. Full HD recording is also available and provides smooth results for everyday use. Connectivity is modern and convenient. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make transferring photos and videos to your smartphone relatively simple. This means you can quickly edit and upload content to Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, or YouTube without dealing with complicated workflows. For many new creators, this convenience can make a huge difference. After researching reviews across photography websites, creator forums, and user feedback online, one trend appears consistently. Most owners praise the camera for its image quality, ease of use, reliable autofocus, and excellent value. The most common criticisms focus on a few cost-cutting decisions, such as the relatively basic rear screen and the fact that more advanced users may eventually outgrow some of its limitations. However, those complaints usually come from experienced photographers who expect higher-end features from a camera that is clearly aimed at beginners. What really makes the EOS R100 attractive is its balance between affordability and capability. Many entry-level buyers simply want a camera that takes noticeably better photos than a smartphone without requiring months of learning. The R100 succeeds in that mission. It provides access to interchangeable lenses, excellent image quality, dependable autofocus, and Canon's trusted ecosystem at a price point that remains accessible for newcomers. So, after looking through the internet and evaluating what this camera offers, would I recommend buying it? For beginner photographers, students, travelers, family users, and new content creators, my answer is yes. The Canon EOS R100 delivers strong image quality, user-friendly operation, reliable performance, and room to grow without demanding a huge investment. If you're an advanced enthusiast looking for premium video features and professional controls, you may want to explore higher-end options. But for most first-time mirrorless camera buyers, the Canon EOS R100 is one of the smartest and safest purchases you can make right now. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another in-depth review. I'll see you in the next one.